In this video, we'll walk you through setting up user provisioning from Entra ID to ALVAO. First, log into ALVAO using the link provided and your Entra ID account. Next, accept the necessary access permissions and confirm your registration in the system. Once logged in, go to the administration section in the left sidebar. You should now see your account in the user list as the only registered user, along with additional information pulled from your Entra ID. Along with the steps provided in the ALVAO documentation, you can also refer to Microsoft documentation for additional details. To get started, open your Azure portal and select Entra ID. Navigate to Enterprise Applications Management and create a new application. In the application gallery, search for ALVAO and add it to your Azure environment. After creating the app, go to Manage Users and Groups. Click on Add User and Group, and select the users or groups who will access ALVAO. Typically, this includes all users in your organization. Then, confirm your selection. You can now see the added groups in the list. Next, go to the provisioning settings. Here, change the provisioning mode from manual to automatic. Locate your tenant URL using the link provided in our email. The link directs you to the documentation where you can copy the URL. Next, click the second link in the documentation to access the administration section in ALVAO. Click the Generate Secret Token button to create a new token. Once the token is generated, copy it to your clipboard. Then be sure to save the settings to apply the changes. Return to the provisioning settings in your Azure, paste the token in the designated field, and test the connection. If the connection test is successful, save the settings. Scroll down to set your default email address for automatic notifications in case any issues arise, then save these settings. If needed, you can further adjust mapping options. After you have configured all the settings, refresh the page in your browser. Switch the provisioning status to on and save the settings. Provisioning is now active and will automatically run every hour. You can manually restart provisioning from the Overview section to speed up the process. Return to the ALVAO administration and refresh the page to view newly provisioned users. You can configure users' permissions here. User groups are also created. Click on a group to immediately see the assigned users. The recommended approach is to assign permissions to groups in ALVAO, allowing you to manage group membership directly from Entra ID.